Imagine a project where you're seamlessly combining Agile's adaptability with Waterfall's structure, all powered by AI insights. You are able to track every sprint, predict task dependencies, and make data-driven decisions in real time. Sound impossible? With AI, it's not only possible, but it's also transforming how hybrid project management is done. In today's video, we're exploring how to use AI for hybrid project management to blend Agile and Waterfall effectively, creating a cohesive, adaptive process. If you're managing complex projects and want the best of both worlds, stick around, this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to NxtChair. If you're new here, I'm Rohit, and here, we're all about helping you master modern project management techniques using the latest tech. Today, we're talking about something exciting: how AI can support hybrid project management by blending Agile and Waterfall methodologies effectively. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our project management tips. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and drop a comment. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Story: the challenge of blending Agile and Waterfall. Let's start with a story. Meet Sarah, a project manager at a software development company. Her team is working on a massive project with both product development and client-facing deliverables. For her, Agile's flexibility was perfect for the software development team, who needed to iterate quickly and adapt to feedback. But when it came to the client's rigid deadlines, Waterfall's structured approach was invaluable for ensuring milestones were clearly defined and met. However, managing Agile and Waterfall simultaneously was chaotic. Task dependencies would slip through the cracks, teams weren't aligned on timelines, and data was too scattered. Communication lagged, deadlines were missed, and everyone felt the strain. Sarah knew there had to be a better way to balance the speed and flexibility of Agile with the predictability of Waterfall. And that's when she discovered AI-powered project management tools that support hybrid methods. So, how did AI help Sarah blend Agile and Waterfall? Let's dive into the first benefit: real-time resource allocation. 1. Real-time resource allocation with AI. One of the first ways AI transformed Sarah's hybrid project management was real-time resource allocation. With both Agile and Waterfall teams working on different parts of the project, resource allocation was complex. Sarah needed a way to ensure no one was overloaded and that the right skills were assigned to each task without constant manual adjustments. Using AI-driven resource allocation, Sarah's tool could track team availability and match the right team members to tasks in both Agile sprints and Waterfall milestones. The AI monitored task loads in real time, alerting her if any team was overburdened and suggesting shifts that aligned with each team's needs. This enabled Sarah to respond quickly and keep both teams balanced, ensuring the project moved smoothly. If resource allocation is a challenge in your projects, hit the like button and let us know in the comments how you currently manage resource balancing. With resource allocation in check, let's move on to how AI helped Sarah manage task dependencies. 2. Managing task dependencies across Agile and Waterfall phases. One of the biggest issues in hybrid project management is managing dependencies between Agile sprints and Waterfall phases. For Sarah, a delay in one part of the Agile process could affect Waterfall timelines, causing a ripple effect that delayed entire project phases. With AI, she could map out dependencies more effectively. The AI system tracked all tasks, whether in Agile or Waterfall, and alerted Sarah whenever a task in one method would impact another. For example, if a sprint faced delays in the Agile portion, the AI tool would adjust Waterfall milestones accordingly, keeping both timelines in sync. This predictive dependency tracking prevented bottlenecks, allowing Sarah's teams to focus on delivering results rather than troubleshooting delays. Task dependencies were smoother, but AI also gave Sarah an edge with enhanced progress tracking. 3. Enhanced progress tracking with real-time insights. Progress tracking was another area where AI made a big difference in Sarah's hybrid setup. Previously, Sarah relied on separate tools to track Agile and Waterfall progress, making it challenging to see the overall project health. With AI-powered dashboards, she had real-time visibility into both methodologies, allowing her to see each team's progress in one unified view. The AI analyzed task completion rates, flagged risks, and highlighted areas where agile iterations might affect waterfall deliverables. Instead of relying on weekly updates, Sarah could monitor progress daily, helping her team stay on track and allowing her to adjust strategies as needed. If real-time tracking sounds like something your project could benefit from, subscribe to our channel for more tips on using AI to stay ahead of project bottlenecks. Next, let's look at how AI improved communication and stakeholder alignment in Sarah's project. 4. Improved communication and stakeholder alignment with AI. In hybrid projects, aligning stakeholders on Agile's iterative changes and waterfall's set milestones can be challenging. AI helped Sarah bridge this gap with automated communication and reporting. The AI tool would compile data from both methodologies, generating clear, customized reports for each stakeholder, whether they wanted high-level milestone updates or detailed sprint analyses. These AI-generated reports were automatically shared with stakeholders, keeping everyone aligned and informed. If a delay occurred, the system would proactively alert relevant stakeholders and explain the impact on the overall timeline, reducing miscommunication and building trust with the client. Sarah no longer had to worry about spending hours on manual reports. The AI handled it, allowing her to focus on critical project needs. If keeping stakeholders aligned is a constant struggle, like this video and share how you currently communicate progress in your hybrid projects. Finally, let's talk about how AI helped Sarah forecast project risks. 5. Risk forecasting and mitigation with AI. One of the most powerful ways AI supported Sarah's hybrid project management was through risk forecasting. With both Agile and Waterfall elements, predicting risks in her project was complex. The AI tool used historical data and real-time inputs to analyze trends and anticipate potential bottlenecks or resource shortages, providing Sarah with proactive strategies for risk mitigation. For instance, if the system detected that certain agile sprints were consistently facing delays, it would suggest extending future timelines or adding resources to avoid impacting waterfall deliverables. With AI's risk forecasting, Sarah could make proactive adjustments, keep stakeholders informed, and stay ahead of issues that might otherwise disrupt the project. This predictive insight allowed Sarah to balance agile flexibility with waterfall's predictability, achieving smoother project flow. Conclusion: the power of AI in hybrid project management. And there you have it. AI helped Sarah transform her hybrid project management by optimizing resource allocation, managing task dependencies, tracking progress, aligning stakeholders, and forecasting risks. By blending Agile's adaptability with Waterfall structure, Sarah delivered a successful project without sacrificing speed or quality. If you're looking to make hybrid project management more efficient, AI tools might be just what you need to keep everything in balance. With the right AI support, you can create a project environment where Agile and Waterfall work together seamlessly. If you found these insights helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your team. And tell us in the comments, what are your biggest challenges in managing hybrid projects? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building smarter, more adaptable projects.